A very good evening to all of you. Students, if you're able to hear my voice, just say hi in the chat box. So if you're using your mobile phone or using your laptop, you'll be seeing a chat option. Okay. So you just type yes if you're able to hear my voice properly. Great. Thank you, Om. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you, Vish. Thank you, Vishnu. So we'll take 2-3 minutes more and we'll start in a couple of minutes. Okay. So thank you for coming here. Hi, Anuruddh. So students will start in 2-3 minutes. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Vishnu, you want to speak to me? Vishnu Vardhan Reddy, do you want to speak to me? If yes, just say yes. Okay. So till we have few more people to join, I request you guys to put your education, experience, and location, means city. All of you who are here, put in the chat box your education. If you're a BA, BCom, BBA, BTech, Civil, MTech, your experience. If you're a fresher, put it that way. Or if you have experience like 2, 3, 4 years, just write it. And then city, which city you're from. Okay. Please write in that forum, in the chat box. So Niruddh is B Civil, 1 year site experience, Ahmedabad. Om Tripathi is BCom plus CA IPCC, fresher Lucknow. When Vishnu Vardhan is BTech Civil, 6-month internship, Kurnool. The other people also, please. Okay, so Rashmi is MBA HR, worked at junior officer in HDFC Bank, Vapi. Okay. Okay. So Anirudh, I'm great. Thank you very much. Okay, so before I go forward, I just like to introduce Institute of Real Estate and Finance. So I'll take 5 minutes to get introduced so that you know what we're talking about, who we are. And then I will introduce you to India's first program which is called Pay After Placement program, started in association with ANZA and a couple of more companies. So we'll give you the detail. Okay. So very quickly, I like to share about the institute, which is Institute of Real Estate and Finance. Our focus is to create real estate leaders. Okay, so my name is Abhay Kumar. I'm Program Director in Institute of Real Estate and Finance. So Institute of Real Estate and Finance started in 2010, and it is the first institute in India dedicated to real estate, construction, and finance sector, related sector. We are also a member of NAREDCO, and during this journey, we have received numerous awards from NDTV, from Devang Mehta B School Award. So we can say that as an institute, we are on the top 3 institutes in India which focus on real estate sector, and we are the only institute invited by government of India when RERA was forming, when RERA was getting discussed in 2014. Okay, 2016 we started our full-time program with Symbiosis, which is very well-known university in India, and 2019 we started our own campus where we teach, do research, education. Okay, and focus on real estate and construction sector. So this is a brief overview of Institute of Real Estate and Finance. We have a very big team, comprised of CAs, doctors, engineers. So Institute of Real Estate Finance was formed in association with lots of young entrepreneurs who wanted to change this industry. We are an independent autonomous institute. We work with lots of other institutions like Venkateshwara University, Lincoln University, Malaysia, Symbiosis, Zeal Education Society, National Real Estate Development Council, Government of India, Startup India. So we are an independent body, but we work with lots of universities to create programs, to create education, to transform this real estate and construction industry. As I said, we have received various awards. And we were the first institute focused towards real estate and construction sector. So when we teach in our institute, lots of our students get placed in companies like Tata Housing, India Bulls, or banks, IDBI, IDFL, or companies which are in services. Okay. And so this is not for you because you not be doing a full-time program with us, but just to share with you that in our campus there are lots of companies like L&T Finance, Godrej Properties, JLL, Cushman. These kind of company comes and give various packages to our students. So we do various programs across India. These are last 4-year students. We take very limited number of students for full-time program. Okay, so okay, so the idea is that why I'm telling you this, because this program is in collaboration with Institute of Real Estate and Finance and UK-based or rather Indian-based UK company which is called ANZA LLP. So I'm going to share you more about that. Once you have understanding of area, you will understand what we're talking about and why we are talking about. Okay. So this is a third batch starting from September 2020. But because of this COVID, everything got haphazard. So physically, we're not able to start classes right now, as of now. But whenever we start classes in October or November, this will be the same third batch. So the first batch of 10 students and second batch of 10 students already got placed, and they are working in ENSA, and they going through the program. 90% students, rather 70-80% students are civil engineers. So what is ENSA Pay After Placement program? And what we do with ENSA, I'll tell you about the company, what is the profile, what all you do. So in this presentation, we're going to talk about pay after placement. We're going to talk about the program detail. We're going to talk about the course structure, and we're also going to talk about the company profile and other stuff. So what is pay after placement program? So it's a higher education program in collaboration with a particular company, where selected student, okay, whoever gets selected, IRF will provide all the education training and take the fees once the candidate joins the company. As simple as it is. Okay, so there is no fees involved at the day one. You get offer letter, you start learning with us, and when you join the company, you need to pay fees, education fees, which is also sponsored by the company. So suppose we have a fees of 1 lakh rupees. So 50% is kind of sponsored by company and 50% is sponsored by the candidate. Okay, so company takes care of certain fees, but there is some amount which need to be paid by the candidate. So if you get selected, you will go through the training program from Institute of Real Estate and Finance. Once you get trained and join the company, IRF will help you to take a loan. Okay, and after taking loan, you can pay the fees. So it's basically for people who could not afford very good education, who are in need of support. And in this COVID environment, lots of people, youngsters, are sitting idle, not doing anything, don't have enough payment to do that. So this is an initiative taken by IRF and ENSA to support needy and progressive childrens. Okay. In between, if you have any questions, you can ask me. If I'm audible, just somebody say yes. Vishnu, Om, Rashmi. If I'm audible, just somebody say yes. Great. Thank you. So one thought we like to share with you. This entire thing is a kind of investment for you, and it's for long-term growth. Okay. See, any growth, anything you want to achieve is not easy, especially in today's this COVID world. Everybody is cutting costs. Everybody is cutting employees. Nobody like to invest in resources. But this program which we have created for companies which are growing, for companies which want to ramp up their manpower in next 6 months to a year, so that whatever we invest as a company and as a institute, it help the candidate for long life growth. So this program is not only to get a job, it is basically a lifelong investment for an individual. Okay, so if you're looking that, okay, I'll do this program and get a job, this should be a secondary. It will be a life-changing experience for anyone who is going to join and work hard. So what is the program detail? So Institute of Real Estate and Finance will give you postgraduate certificate. The training will be in, you will get a certificate at the end of the program. And the certificate name will be postgraduate certification in real estate, construction, technology management. Okay. The duration will be 6 months, means 2 tri-semester. In this 6 months, 1 semester will be in Pune and 1 semester will be on-job training in Bangalore. Okay. Since we have not started the classroom in Pune, so whoever got selected, they will study online. So you can study online till the classes are started. Okay. So it's a 6-month program, 3 months of classroom, 3 to 4 months of classroom, and 2 to 3 months of on-job training. Okay. So in Pune, you will learn more about real estate, construction, technology, personality grooming, and lots of other things. Okay. And the next 2 months, you will learn about the KPO business, knowledge process outsourcing business, data, data analysis, report generation, and all this stuff. Okay. But currently, since the classes have not started, all the people who are joining, they have started our online program. So if you get selected, you will do an online course with us till we start classroom program. So what we're going to learn? We're going to learn about real estate management. You're going to learn about construction management. You're going to learn about finance management. We're going to learn about technology management. We're going to learn about project management. We're going to learn about general management. We're also going to focus on personal development in terms of communication, in terms of writing skills, and the industry relevant knowledge. What is KPO? How it works? So these 8 things you are going to learn. Okay, and trust me, nobody is going to teach you so that you leave the job and go somewhere else. Okay, so these 8 things you will all not only learn, but you'll get knowledge for your life. Generally, in the classroom, we have 6 hours a day, and we have Monday off. But since the class is not going on, currently we are doing classes on Sundays and some classes on Wednesdays. So Sundays, Wednesdays, and some classes on evening. Okay, so we have created a classes so people who are not able to come to Pune till the class starts, they can start doing online program. So we have scheduled a program which we have just started. Okay, if you get selected, you have to join the program, and whenever class start, you have to start here, come here, and complete the program. Okay, so it's a full-time program. For 3 months, you have to study full-time in the classroom with all the other MBA and PGDM student of IRF. What is about ANZA? What is ANZA? So just tell you what is ANZA. So ANZA is Bangalore-based KPO. It is not a call center. It is not a BPO. It is KPO. What they do? They have clientele in UK. So as you know, because Indian market is not good, that's why we're losing lots of jobs. Other markets are better than India. So their work is to get the data from the UK market. What data? Data about real estate, data about construction, so that they take the data, analyze the data, and give back to the client. Example, suppose somebody have bought a house. Okay, so and they want a loan. So ANZA takes all the document, all the plan, all the valuation, all the legal document, take the document, compile the document, and give it to the bank to process it. Okay, and there are various processes of such kind, right? So basically, all the data related to real estate, construction, and finance is catered to UK market, is been taken care by ANZA. The ANZA started in 2003. Okay, as KPO. Currently, they have a team strength of 50 people, and they are ramping up to 50, 50 more people next 1 year. Because of this COVID, things got stuck, but they want to prepare because lots of jobs are now moved away from UK, and they want people to do the jobs in India. Okay, so ANZA is a company based out of Bangalore, work for UK market. All the property transaction get recorded in India and get transformed and given to all the people who want that. So in back office, you have to collect the transaction, edit the transaction, prepare reports, talk to the client, and all. The most important part is that few of people also go to UK. So people who are joining, they need to have a passport. Okay. So if tomorrow, if you're working in a process and they like you to travel, you need to travel to UK. Okay, not now exactly, but you all need to have, whoever gets selected, you need to have a passport in this, right? Since currently they are also trying to expand into Pune market, okay, but because of COVID, all the people who are working are from Bangalore office, right? Their founders are basically based out of Bangalore and has very good connections and business in UK, right? So ANZA is old company but runs like a startup with young guys, young team, okay, and they want to ramp up. So that's why primarily they want someone who understand technology, who understand construction. So first preference will be given to a civil engineer who knows technology, who want to work in office, who want to work with data. Then second will be anyone who like to get into this market. Okay. So if you're able to understand about, if you have any question about ENSA, ask me right now. If you don't have any question about ENSA, just say no. So Rashmi, Anirudh, any question about ENSA, you can ask me right now. If you don't have a question, just say no. Just clearly say, just say no, I'm okay with it. Okay. Okay, so what is about the job profile? So job profile is of data analysis or data associate. Okay, right? So job involves working with all the operations. Okay, working on the processes, and later on you might need to travel to UK if company allows you and the client want that. Okay, so your salary will be from 20,000 to 30,000, means 2.4 lakh to 3.6 lakh. If you get selected, so first 3 months you study in Pune, after that you study in Bangalore. If you get selected, or rather you are selected, rather once you complete your training period, you'll get a stipend of 12,500 to 15,000 rupees per month. Once you start getting stipend, within 3 to 6 months you get confirmation, and as soon as you get confirmation, your minimum basic salary will be 20,000 to 30,000 rupees based on what work you're doing. If you experience, you'll get a more salary plus other perks. Okay, the industry is KPO, research and analytical. Okay, the function areas are basically real estate, construction, information technology. Okay, and the role is data and research associate. Any question about the job description, salary, just write me. If you have any questions. Okay, now this, we have created one more option. Okay, people who don't like to they want to work in their core segments, like they want to work in operation, project management, construction, marketing, sales. Okay, but they want a job, especially in Pune or in bigger city. They can opt for the same program, but they will not get offer letter in day one. So once they join the program, study for 3 months, after that companies will come and pick it up. Okay, so if they don't like to join ENSA, they can also join IRF for the same program, but the placement will happen or the internship will happen after 3 months once company comes and pick you up. Okay, so if somebody don't want to go to Bangalore, don't want to work with KPO, you can choose the same program and study with us for 6 months. Okay, so that is the alternative option we had just given to students if they're serious about their career. Now fees. Okay, so currently you don't have to pay fees. You just have to pay 10,000 rupees a refundable deposit. Okay, why? Because you will be given access to LMS, you will be given access to lots of stuff. So that's 10,000 rupees you will pay the refundable deposit. Once you join the company, the 10,000 will be refunded to you. And once you start, once you get an offer letter, then there will be loan given to you by the banks, and then you can pay your fees. The fees will be 60,000 rupees, which you can take a loan, which roughly in EMI it will come to 2 to 3,000 rupees per month. So after 6 months, once you start working, then you can pay this fees by taking loan. So there will be no burden to your family. There will be no burden to you. Okay, and you're able to get job in a reputed company in a big city. Okay, now a few people ask me, sir, what is the growth prospects? See, the growth prospect is this, that once you join a technology oriented company, KPO, you can go to any other company also. Okay, you can join any other technology company. Okay, so suppose you are a civil engineer, you join this KPO, you can work with all the big developers in their ERP department, in their project management department, okay, in their coordination department. So basically you can work in any real estate construction company in back office. Okay, if you want to work in other KPOs, If you're not a civil engineer, then you can work in other segments, other KPOs like Amazon.com or any big KPO which having their own processes in India. Okay. So this is for people who are serious about the career, because in this, the institute is taking care of education. You need to just come, study, and work. In this current COVID environment, let me tell you, last 6 months, minimum 1 crore people have lost their jobs. So if you think that sitting idle, you'll get a job, it is not going to happen. And if you want to move from the site works to back office work to office work, this is one of the best option you have. Vishnuvardhan, the deposit is taken to understand whether you're serious or not. Okay. So since you're studying here for 6 months, anybody can come and join your program. This should not happen. Okay. So if you're serious, you will invest. If you're not serious, you will not invest. Right? So that is why the deposit is taken and which is refunded back to the student. Because for that, they have to talk to their parents. They have to tell this is a job. This is what they have to do. Okay. And that will make them serious. Okay. So now I'm open for any questions. If you have any questions, you let me know. So I have given you, if you are interested, just put your mobile number in the poll question so that we can able to get back to you, or you can put your mobile number in the chat so that our counseling team will just call you up, give you all the information and go for the next process. As simple as it is. So Anirudh have asked, sir, if I selected, I will to pay 10. Okay. So Anirudh, if you get selected, you have to pay 10,000 rupees for refundable deposit. Okay, because you're going through an education program. We want serious people to study. Okay, clear? Right? The Institute of Real Estate and Finance, which teaches student, we have fees from 4 lakh to 7 lakh rupees. So you're going to study with the same people. Okay, study with one of the best teachers and faculties. So we don't want you to misutilize our resources. We want you to study and focus on your job. See, selection process is very simple. Once we have received your number, okay, you'll receive a call from the HR or the IRF team. They will talk to you. They will understand your perspective. They will look into all your data. Once they look into your data and we find we are suitable, we'll provide you an offer letter from the IRF. And after that, there is an offer letter from the company itself. Okay. So there will be offer letter from the institute and there will be offer letter from the company. Once you receive the offer letter from the company, then you will start studying with us. Okay. Once you get selected, only then you have to pay the deposit to the institute and start studying it. Okay. I'm not very interested in your 10,000 rupees. The institute is not at all interested in 10,000 rupees. Institute is more interested that we will make your career, will make you to think big. Okay. Right. So that once you join, you can able to pay the training fees. That is more important for us. Great. Okay. And since we have limited seat, right, we're not going to take everyone also. say this is a very difficult time. Every company, wherever you go, they don't want to waste their resources. They don't want people come and they learn for 3-4 months and there is no use of it. Let me tell you, every company in today's scenario wants someone who can come and start work in day one and take money. And that's why we believe that lots of companies will come with this kind of scenario where you work, you learn the system, and then they'll offer you a job. Okay, so any questions? I will again like to ask anyone. If you have no questions, just say no. We have received full answers and we'll get back to you by tomorrow. Okay, once we have all the data. Okay, right? My request is that please send your graduation mark sheets to this mail ID, graduation mark sheets. Okay, info@iref.co.in. info@iref.co.in. Send your mark sheet, graduation, so that because this is only applicable for people who have cleared their graduation, with any graduation. Okay, preferably civil engineers, but others are also very open. We are very open to tell them. Okay, so thank you very much for people who have joined today. Okay, wish you all the best for your career and your future. If you face any challenges, any issue, I have given you the mail ID info@iref.co.in. You can always reach back to us. Okay, and at the same time, I also give you my WhatsApp ID. Okay, this is my 9373471214. This is my WhatsApp ID. Either it will be taken by me or my colleagues. If you face any challenges, you can get back to us. Okay, so thank you very much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.